You asked and we listened. Social logins are now live on LiveRent. Here's a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your social accounts to your existing LiveRent account. Start off by signing into your LiveRent renter account and navigate to the top right-hand corner. Click on Menu and a drop-down will appear. Hit Settings and then Social Login and Password. If you're on the app, this process is very similar. You'll want to tap into Profile, Settings, Account Settings, and then Social Login and Password. Here, you will find all the social accounts that can be connected to your LiveRent account for social logins, including Facebook, Apple, and Google. By tapping Connect, it will prompt you to sign in to your respective accounts. Now let's walk through each social account. Starting off with Facebook, once you hit Connect, a pop-up will open, directing you to log in. Press Continue, and it's that easy. If you're on the app, it will prompt you to open the Facebook app where you follow the steps and press Continue. To connect your Apple ID, hit Connect, and it will again prompt you to type in your information. If you're coming in from the app, you can use Face ID to sign into your account. Hit Continue, and your social login will be linked. Similarly, to connect your Google account, start by hitting Connect. It will open a Google login form where you'll type in your Gmail information and then hit Next. As easy as that. Now we're all set. From now on, you can sign into your LiveRent renter account using these connected social accounts. Let's test it out with Facebook. We're going to log out of our LiveRent account and sign in using Facebook. Here, it'll prompt you to sign into your Facebook account and simultaneously log into your LiveRent account, and that's it. If at any point you wish to disconnect any of your social accounts, the process is simple. You'll want to follow the same steps as connecting your account. Starting with signing into your LiveRent renter account, tap Menu, Settings, Social Login and Password, or similarly on the app, Profile, Settings, Social Login and Password, and then hit Disconnect for any of the social accounts that you wish to disconnect. The process is as simple as that. Head over to your LiveRent account to connect your social accounts and make your login process simpler with LiveRent.